YouTube fam, what's going on? How's everybody doing out there? Hey, listen guys, this is the power cell from Synergistic Reaseach SX. It's the electromagnetic field stabilized line conditioner, as you can see right here. This is the Michael Jordan of line conditioners, guys, the Wayne Gretzky, the Tom Brady, if you will, line conditioner. That is Muhammad Ali, Tyson, whatever your sport is, Michael Phelps. Okay, you guys get the picture. This thing is the highest level, ultra high-end power line conditioner from Synergistic Reaseach. It borrows some of the same technologies as the previously sold out Galileo SX, and I won't get into a lot of the details about it. I'll let the professionals handle that if you happen to call in and ask about it. But they sell this line conditioner as well as some of the other line conditioners as well. And I'm kind of moving around the room here so we could do this unboxing. So if my voice is kind of fading in and out, that's what's going on. But let's get on with it, see what this thing's all about. They sell this particular one, and they also sell, you know, quite a few of them actually for your price range and budget, and of course your level of ultra high-end equipment or high-end equipment, if you will. All right, let's get this thing going here. So, got a little fade to black background music playing there. All right, there we go. All right, this bad boy opened up. Wow, the first thing I've noticed when I open it up is you get a white glove. Not only a white glove, but the white glove. I'm only kidding, of course. That was pre-planned. I gotta admit, guys, I put that in there. You don't get that with the power cell. I just did put that in there for fun. You should though, right guys? You should get the white glove with this damn thing. And let's get this thing out and take a look at it. I believe this is probably going to be the power cord inside of here. We'll take a look at that shortly. And it looks like they packaged some other stuff that I have, some other goodies that I ordered as well. But first, let's just get this thing out of here. All right. Wow. Holy crap, guys. If you're easily triggered, by the way, and we'll move the box out of the way here. There we go. All right, we got a couple things here. Get this out of the razor blade out of the way so I don't hurt myself on it. You know, first of all, man, this thing is pretty massive. And if you followed me in the past, I've had line conditioners before it. I've had everything. I've had voltage stabilizers, I've had line conditioners, I've had everything. But, you know, I've never had this level of line conditioner. I've had the PS Audio. I've had another brand name that I was actually going to put up against this one, but I was told not to do that by the manufacturer that sent me their line conditioner. So I won't do that because they got kind of triggered when I told them that I was going to go up against this power cell from Synergistic Reaseach. So I think they probably already knew about it anyway, and they're like, no. So I think they knew this thing was going to blow it out of the water. Is why they're not going to do a video of a comparison. But nevertheless, I'm going to do some videos of what it's going to do to my particular system. So, you know, in the fade to black fashion, we're going to do some comparison videos and all that kind of good stuff in the future here. This thing is well packaged, first of all, by the way. I haven't seen much on this online. I've seen one other guy do the video as well, but mine's going to be better. Just kidding, of course. Kind of. But anyway, here's the conditioning. Wow. Holy crap, guys. Let's take a look at this thing for a while. Let's see if we get you in the camera here. Woo! Oh my gosh. That thing is magnificent. And you guys are just seeing the front here. It has a glass front here and glass or plastic top. I'm not sure what that is, acrylic, whatever. They'll know all about that, I'm sure. But man, this thing is beautiful. I mean, just the sheer looks of this thing, I'd have to say, wow, holy, you know what, guys? I mean, this is, forget about the, you know, what's going to do to your system. Let's talk about the sound quality, you know, about the sound quality and everything. I'm going to put a little towel in here so I could flip this up so you guys could see it. I do not want to scratch this at all. Holy cow, guys. This is the inside of the thing. Are you effing kidding me? Man, this thing is bad. You know what? And let me close this blinds here, see if I get a less glare. There we go. Let's see if that. There we go. A little bit better. It's gonna have to do for right now, but I'll move it up a little bit more. Let's see what we do here. Yes, let's knock it right off the table, right, guys? Wouldn't that be some? Oh my God, Ted would kill me. Dave and Ted, you guys are phenomenal guys over there at Synergistic, but here's the inside of it. You really can't see a lot of it because of this damn glare. Let's try cutting off the light a little bit so you guys, I want you guys to get the full gist of this thing here. Yeah, hold on here. There we go. Let's get the full thing on here. And give me a second, guys. I'm gonna cut this light so we can, yeah. Let's see if that did anything. I don't know if you guys, if that cut too much. A little bit, a little better. Oh well, go to synergisticreaseach.com to get the real look there. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. I mean, this thing is not even doing it justice. Let's try that. I don't know where I'm getting all that glare from, but I can cut some of the lights, you know. I'm not sure if that'd done it any better. Let's try this. All right. That's the best we're going to do for now, but anyway, the inside of this thing is magnificent. For a better picture of what it looks like inside, of course, go to synergisticreaseach.com. But that's the inside of it here. And then we get the picture of the back. Holy crap. I think there's 12 of those. Oh, you're seeing nothing but my chair. Let's move it down a little bit. So this is the back of the thing. And those all been treated with Synergistic's special treatment for each outlet. And I mean, my gosh, if your system can't sound good with this thing, then you need to buy a whole new system. And I'm gonna make this real short and cut it, you know, short and sweet. This is just an unboxing. The next step is I'm gonna go ahead and get it hooked up. And let's see the power cord here real quick as well. Let's see here. Get you guys, I do everything cut, you know, raw, basically. So, hope it doesn't ruffle any feathers. I don't like a bunch of edits and stuff. It just, to me, it doesn't seem very realistic as far as video-wise. And I'm gonna open up this box here. I got one more box here. It looks like it's the power cord. And it is, and some other things I got. We'll talk about those later. And look at the power cord on this thing, guys. Are you kidding? They have their little ground, so you could use their ground shield with it. They make 3 different ones of those, the ground shields I know as well. Of course, they have their serial number on each individual one of these. And this is the Atmosphere power cable that comes with it, that plugs in the back as well. And it has also their tuning, their specialized tuning that you actually could pull out and tune each power cable the way you want it. But man, as you guys can see, this is gonna be, this is ultra, this is stratosphere level. Stratosphere level. That's what they should make a product called, Synergistic Research Stratosphere. Probably already taken, but yeah. Take a look at this thing, guys. This is gonna go into my system. I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about it. And with that said, you guys have a good one.